What is going on, guys? I'm going to be doing a stereo delete in my Skyline today. I just don't need it in the car. I don't need to listen to music. I just need to hear the engine. So first thing you want to do is take the ashtray out, and then what you want to do is remove a screw there. It's a Phillips head screw. Just remove that screw. After you do that, what you want to do is you want to take this piece off over here. So you get a flathead screwdriver and you put it underneath. I was able to do it with using my finger, so this comes off just like that, and then you just pull it out. Be careful because the wires for this are going to be attached. Just unplug them. The wires for mine are already, they're busted. I don't know where they are, but make sure you unplug it, otherwise your wires will break. I bought the car like that. I have no idea what happened to this, so put it on the side, and then from there we're gonna remove this whole piece over here. So to do that, there's gonna be two screws at the bottom. There's gonna be one screw right here, then one screw over here. Remove those two. They're both Phillips head, and then we can pull this out, and there's basically just clips that are. Alright, so I'm gonna take those two screws out over here. Okay, once those two screws are out, you can just pull this out. Just be gentle not to break it. It's only clips holding it, but just be careful with it. And you might have to put your, you might have to lower your steering wheel. So just put the steering wheel down like that, and then lock it in place. And you won't have this wire. This is just the GPS antenna for the stereo. And then just pull this out. They're all clips. Pull it from there too. You might have to open the door because it's gonna hit over here. Alright, and then what you want to do is unplug all the wires. So there's going to be a wire behind this area. I think there's going to be a couple wires here. There's going to be one wire over here, and there's going to be one wire over here. Unplug all of them, and then you can actually pull this. Alright, this is such a pain in the ass, but I got it out. So there's going to be one wire that goes there, one that goes there, one that goes there, another one that goes there, and there's gonna be one that goes over there. And if you have the security thing, then you're gonna have a wire that goes here too. So in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to unplug 7 cables in total. 6 or 7 depending. If you have like the security thing, then 7. If you don't, then 6. And once you do that, you can actually take the stereo out. But to get the stereo out, you gotta remove 6 Phillips head screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then this basically comes out, and then you can put your new stereo in and just do the opposite to get everything back. Okay, so the stereo's out, and there's actually only 4 screws you need to remove. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this piece basically comes out, and then there's going to be 4 screws on this side, 4 screws on that side to actually take the deck out of the brackets. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped. I'm not going to be replacing the stereo. I just wanted to do a stereo delete. I don't need the stereo in the car. So yeah, that's all.